Last week, there was a demonstration of traders in Kampala and other parts of the country, which was attributed to high taxes and introduction of e-freeze. However, the strike was later suspended after President Museveni meeting leaders at State House Entebbe. The President decided to meet technical team from Uganda Revenue Authority and Minister of Finance to get a permanent solution that he will announce on 7th May 2024 during a meeting with all traders at Kororo Ceremonial Grounds.
The techniques, I would like to study them, and then we meet again on the 4th with you people. But internally, I can meet these people on the 24th. The URA and finance and all that. But what I will not allow will be to penalize you.
Basing on this, the government has been advised to widen its tax base in order to address the problem, because the current tax base is narrow and URA is focusing on the narrow tax base and maximizing on the charges, hence affecting taxpayers, including the traders.
We've been looking at many solutions. One of them is actually to widen the tax base. The tax base is very narrow, and the taxman seems to be concentrating on the narrow tax base and maximizing or even over-maximizing what they are charging out of this very, very small community. Somebody gave an example that out of the 47 million Ugandans, the people who pay tax with certainty are about 3 million. And 3 million is now paying for the other 44 million Ugandans, and this is very dangerous. So
Bowa Sebina, an economist and executive director at the Bowa Sebina Foundation, says that widening the tax base addresses the problem of overtaxation to the traders, hence finding the lasting solution to their concerns.
The URA and Minister of Finance need to look for other grounds where they are going to charge tax. So if you widen tax base, then the pressure on these few people is reduced.
The board adds that people in the equity bracket of income should be paying equal taxation to increase on the taxes being collected in the country.
Equitable taxes, that those people in the same bracket should be paying taxes equally. We think those people in the same bracket of income should be taxed equally. That's the equity we are talking about.
In addition, he highlights the necessity for the government to ensure a reduction in its public expenditure throughout the entire country.
The government should also look at reducing public expenditure, especially at that level where funds are seen to be spent extravagantly when other sections of the community are actually grassing.
Once this objective is met, the demand for generating revenue through taxes will decrease. Sebina further noted that the office of the leader of opposition presented the alternative budget, which was lesser than that of the government. It is because of this that he advises the government to consider this budget.
Alternative government in waiting, that is what you call the opposition, presented their budget, their alternative budget, and it is at a cool 43 trillion. So instead of 58 trillion, we could start considering these proposals from the opposition.
Julius Momza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.